What's going on, guys? I hope you all are doing amazing. So we just got a new package in from Z1 Motorsports. In my last video, I mentioned I was going to be doing about 5 mods in the upcoming months, and I mentioned that some were really big and some were super small. Even though it's such a small mod, I'm pretty excited for it. I like the way it looks with the car, obviously because I bought it. It's those little things in the interior that really make it more vibrant, make it more colorful, and overall make it look better. Let's get to the unboxing, see what they gave in the Z1 box. Kill that like button, guys. Let's get this video to 61 likes. Other than that, enjoy the video. Before I do the unboxing, I dropped my phone 2 days ago. Just take a look at it real quick. And I no longer have a phone. The screen is like literally coming out from this part. I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally popping out. So that's why I haven't posted on Instagram in a long time. Also, if you messaged me on Instagram, that's also why I haven't responded to your DMs, because I don't know the login to that account. I can't even log in on my MacBook. I ordered a new screen from eBay, so that should come in later this week, and then hopefully I'll have a phone again. But let's get to the unboxing of this. So just take a look at the packaging. It's not super big. It's like the size of my head. Okay, like 2 of my heads. I like the little dinosaur thing they always have on their thing. I don't know if you can see it, yeah. That little dinosaur thing, I don't know what it's supposed to be for. If you know, put it down in the comments. Why is there a dinosaur? What's the symbolic reason behind that? I made a question on my IG with the order confirmation asking like what you guys thought this was, and one of you got it right, which is awesome. So you guys already know by the thumbnail and the title what the product is, but what you don't know is there's another little thing in here. So you know how Z1 does those free gifts? If you ever ordered for them, you know they do these free gifts based off how much money you spend with them. And look at the free gift I got, guys. A Z hat. There's the button right there. There's stickers. Some Z1 Motorfield stickers there. And that's about it. So if you know me at all, I literally do not ever wear hats. I've probably worn like a hat 3 times in my entire life, but I thought this was the coolest free gift that they gave. I think they have like air fresheners, decals. I can't remember what else, but I felt like a hat was the only thing that I would use, although I don't wear hats. But for today's vlog, we're gonna be wearing the Z hat, guys. Take a look at it. So there was like many options. I got the white with the black trim around it. Z1 Performance on the back. Has Nismo right there. That is awesome. And it has Z1 right there. So let's see what I look like with a hat on. I look like a little boy, guys. Drop a like for this hat. Just drop a like for this hat. Just because this is probably literally like my 4th time wearing a hat. And I never wear hats. And I probably will never wear a hat again. I just wanted to do it for this video because they gave it to me for free. Shout out to you, Z1. This is the packaging it comes in. See that? Yep, the red OEM GTR button. Dang, that looks pristine. That looks awesome. Look at that. I'm pretty excited to install this, so let's go ahead and go outside and do this installation. It shouldn't take long. I'm thinking less than 5 minutes. We literally just have to pry out the other one and stick this right in. Also, I got another box right there, but that's for another video. Let me know what you guys think that is right there. Okay, so before we do the install, I just wanted to show you guys what the OEM one looks like. So that's what it looks like when it's turned on. And the Nismos come with this little red stripe around the start button. You can also buy this red thing on Z1 as well, but because I already had this, that's why I thought this would look absolutely perfect with that, like the red. And it would just match with little things like this, little things like that, and that just the red stitching that's around the Nismo. I thought this would be like the perfect fit. But if you don't have a Nismo, you can literally buy this and this both from Z1, and I feel like it adds a lot more color to the interior of the Z. Alright, so there's 2 ways you can do this. One is you can stick something in this little gap right here. I don't really have anything except a screwdriver. I don't want to scratch it up, but you can stick something in there and pop the button out. The other way you can do it is just kind of like pop open this head unit right here. So once you get this part popped off, you literally just go put your hands behind this part and you can just push out the button. There you go. So you see it just pushes right out, and then you come here and you just have to disconnect this pin right here. So you just pop open the head open and then you just push the push button. Push the push button. Oh god, that was so bad, guys. I'm sorry. Push the button out, and then you just get on like the little clip back here and push on it with your thumb to get the harness off. You see? And it just comes off just like that. Get the harness, get this part, get it just right on. It just clips right back on. There you go. So you know it just got back in, and then you literally just push it back in, and then you just want to push this whole head unit back in. Now you can see that it's fully there. You can press it and it turns accessory. Guys, that looks so good. Let's take a further view It looks super good compared to the other start button, which is now here. Like, I feel like it just adds so much more color to everything. All right, so install was a success. Like I mentioned earlier, it's super easy. Literally, it could take you 2 minutes, and it adds a nice touch to the interior. Anyways, guys, we got a lot of mods coming for the Z. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Hope you like this hat, guys. I actually like this hat. I think it looks pretty good. That's gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys in another one.